Hello everyone! This will be our 17th video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I want to talk to you about the impact your AI-enabled multi-agent system can have on the company's sustainability and energy efficiency. We are interested in understanding how this technology can align with our environmental footprint reduction and resource optimization strategy. How does this solution tie into our sustainability goals?
The multi-agent AI system is not only designed to optimize processes and reduce costs, but can also play a crucial role in improving energy efficiency and promoting sustainable practices. By centralizing and automating facility monitoring, we can identify areas of inefficiency, reduce energy waste, and optimize resource use. In addition, by analyzing real-time data, we can make decisions based on accurate information and avoid unnecessary energy consumption.
That's very interesting. Could you explain to me how this translates into practical terms? What kind of data or metrics are used to assess energy efficiency?
Of course, for example, the system integrates with IoT devices and real-time sensors that measure critical parameters, such as energy consumption, temperatures, production levels, and other environmental indicators. This data is consolidated in interactive dashboards through the reporting and visualization agent, allowing us to detect inefficiencies, identify equipment or processes that consume more energy than necessary, and correct them immediately. Optimize the operation. Adjust the operation of machinery or air conditioning systems to reduce consumption without compromising productivity. Establish benchmarks. Compare the energy performance of different plants or facilities and apply the best practices of the most efficient ones. Anticipate problems. By analyzing trends, we can predict deviations and act preventively.
I think that's very useful. Then, with this real-time visibility, we could quickly identify if any plant is running below efficiency standards and take corrective action. Could this also help us implement long-term efficiency strategies?
Exactly. In addition to immediate correction, by having historical data, we can analyze long-term trends and predict possible deviations before they become serious problems. This allows us to plan preventive maintenance, adjust processes, and develop customized optimization strategies for each specific plant or system.
And in terms of sustainability, how does the system contribute to improving our environmental performance beyond energy consumption?
The multi-agent system facilitates the integration of environmental metrics such as carbon footprint, water consumption, and other resources. By centralizing all this information, we can implement emission reduction strategies, identify areas where energy consumption and thus CO2 emissions can be reduced. Optimize resources. Improve efficiency in the use of energy and other resources, which translates into a more sustainable operation aligned with environmental regulations. Inform stakeholders. Generate sustainability reports that show our commitment and progress in environmental matters, which is increasingly important for investors, customers, and regulatory bodies. Comply with regulations. Facilitate compliance with international environmental standards, avoiding sanctions and strengthening your corporate reputation.
I didn't expect to be able to do that. The ability to integrate and visualize environmental indicators in real time not only helps to optimize consumption, but also reinforces our commitment to sustainability. Could this also translate into business opportunities?
In addition to reduced operating costs, many companies that adopt energy efficiency and sustainability strategies are eligible for tax incentives and environmental certification programs. It also enhances your brand image and makes you more attractive to customers and partners looking to work with responsible companies.
I imagine that, at the corporate level, having a platform that integrates energy efficiency and sustainability positions us very favorably in the market, both in terms of competitiveness and reputation. Could this help us in our strategies to expand into new markets?
Exactly. Companies that manage to optimize their energy efficiency and reduce their environmental impact are usually better valued in public tenders and bids. In addition, reducing energy consumption also generates significant long-term economic savings, which reinforces the system's return on investment and gives you room to reinvest in innovation and expansion.
Very good. It's very clear to me. This approach not only improves operational efficiency, but also drives our sustainability and energy efficiency initiatives, which are key to the company's future. In addition, it allows us to build a corporate culture that is more aligned with environmental responsibility.
The integration of the multi-agent system with AI in energy efficiency and sustainability management provides you with powerful tools to optimize processes, reduce costs, and at the same time, meet your environmental objectives. It is an investment that strengthens your competitiveness and corporate responsibility.
I am convinced that this system will not only improve our operational efficiency, but also help us to be a more sustainable and responsible company. I hope we can successfully implement this in all our operations. Can you give me the contact of someone to start implementing the process for our company?
I am confident that this solution will make a significant difference to your energy management and your commitment to the environment. Of course it will. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarrata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.